This disqualification petition has been filed by Adv Patkar against Michael Lobo and Mr. Digambar Kamat. So I have appeared for both the respondents. आमकां फक्त नोटीस आयिल्ली की there is a hearing today, but we were not given copy of the petition or the annexures. In terms of the rules, the notice should be accompanied by the petition and the annexures. So we informed the speaker that आमकां copy मेळूंक ना म्हणून petition. Then the speaker has given us the copy of the petition. This is what I have got today. So I have sought time to file a reply. I will file a reply within 30 days.
This was a petition which was filed against two of their MLAs on the ground that they had orchestrated or they were attempting to orchestrate defection. And according to us, by their conduct, they had given up their membership of their party. And therefore, we had filed this in month of July. We pointed out to the speaker that while conducting these proceedings, the Honorable Speaker should take into consideration the judgment of the Supreme Court, which says that the outer limit to decide the disqualification petition is 3 months. Therefore, adherence to that judgment is required, and while fixing the date and while granting the time, that may be taken into consideration.
ताणी ताजेर एक 30 दिसांचो पिरियड मागलेलो आसा रिप्लाय करपाक आनी त्यामुळे बाकीच्या दोन्ही सायडीन आपल्याला त्यो बाजू ताणी मांडल्यो आनी त्यामुळे 30 दिसांची तांकां पिरियड आसा तो ग्रांट केल्लो आसा आनी त्या नंतर ते फुडली हें आसा न्ही शेत सुरू जाता.
8 आमदारां आड घाल्ल्यो 3 अपात्रता याचिकेंचेर खंय सभापती अभ्यास करून सुनावण्यो सुरू करपाचो आसा.
आनी तुमचे मुखार आनी 3 पेटिशनां जे डिफेक्ट जाल्ल्या उपरांत एक गिरीशान घातले काँग्रेसीन आनी एक इंडिविज्युअल तेजेर तुमी
ताजे आमी अभ्यास करून आसा न्ही ते फुडली दिसांक केन्ना तरी तांकां तांचेर पिटिशन सुरवात करता
तांकां नोटीस
जाता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आनी शिरीश कोंकणीकर.